Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable AI Select in Edge Panel on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the Settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Display. Now from here, just scroll down. Now from here, just enable this toggle to enable Edge Panels. Now once you do that, a small bar will appear at the side of your screen. Now just swipe from the side of your screen and open the Edge panel. Now just tap on AI Select. Now from here you can circle on anything on the screen. Now from here, if you tap on this icon, it will save the selected area in your gallery app as a screenshot. Just like that. Now from here, if you tap on the share button, you can share the selected area on the screen. Or if you tap on this icon, you can copy the selected area on the screen. Now from here, if you tap on this pin icon, you can pin the selected area on the screen. Just like that. And also, if you tap on this icon, you can edit the selected area on the screen. Just like that. Now once you're satisfied with your edit, you can share this image or you can download this image as a screenshot in your gallery app. Just like that. And this is how you can enable AI Select in Edge Panel on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.